Good morning, everyone. Welcome to once again in your science class. As we know, we have discussed about beaks and now we will start claws. Feet and claws of a bird are shaped to suit their perching and food habit. तो feet and claws of a bird is shaped. वो इस shape से shaped हैं that they help their perching and food habit. Claws, what is claws? Claws are the long curved nails present on the feet. Look at this picture. Long curved nail present on the feet, that is claws. Claws can be used for climbing, climb करने में, protect yourself from their enemy, holding food, food hold करने में, swimming, in swimming, and perching. In perching, yani how to sit on a branches like this. Clear? Let us know about them. Birds of prey, eagle, vulture, and hawk have strong and sharp claws. These birds have strong and sharp claws. Look at this picture. These help them to firmly hold the prey while flying. जब ये फ्लाई करते हैं उस टाइम अपना प्रे, अपना फूड यानी अपना शिकार कैप्चर करने के लिए दे यूज़ इट. क्लियर? नाउ कम्स ऑन पर्चिंग बर्ड. स्पैरो, पिजन, crows have a long and slender claws with 2 toes in front and 1 at the back. 3 toes क्या है, फ्रंट में है और 1 at the back. These are the claws of sparrow, pigeon and crows. These toes curl around the branch or a wire and hold it firmly. ये क्या करते हैं, with the help of their toes they curl around the branches and sit on the branch and any wire on this. Clear? Now comes on the swimming bird. There is a one difference in the feet of the swimming birds. This bird's feet is called webbed feet. Look at this picture. एक जाली सी है ना इस feet में, that is a webbed feet. Duck and penguins have webbed feet that help them to swim. Duck and penguin have a webbed feet that help to swim. The front toes of these birds are jointed by skin. The first front toes है that is joined their skin and them as a flat appearance, जो हमें flat appearance दिख रही है. They use their feet to paddle and push the water while swimming. Clear? Now comes on wading bird. Why we call them wading bird? Crane and jacana can walk in the mud without getting their body wet. ये कुछ ऐसे birds हैं जो इनकी body wet नहीं होती but they are walk in a water, mud in this. That's why these are the wading bird. They have a long legs and wide spreading toes. These toes help them their body from sinking in water. ये toes उसको long legs उसके help करती हैं not sink in water. ये water में sink नहीं होते. Clear? This help them to walk in mud and water. Clear? Next is scratching birds. Some birds like hen, they have strong feet with the 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. 3 toes at the front, look at this picture, and 1 at the back. Each toes has a sharp claws to scratch the ground in search of seed and insect present in the soil. जो soils में seeds और insect present होते हैं तो वो with their help of their claws to scratch the ground को scratch करेंगे and find out the insect from the soil and eat it. So that's why their claws are their strong feet and 3 toes in front. Next is climbing birds. Birds like a woodpecker and parrot have 2 toes pointed upward. Look at this picture. 2 toes pointed upward and 2 at the downward. Clear? 2 ऊपर हैं upward and 2 downward. These birds can cling to tree to catch insect and hold the fruit. ये क्या करते हैं, क्लाइंग हो जाते हैं ट्रीज पे एंड टू कैच देयर इंसेक्ट एंड फ्रूट एंड ईट देम. क्लियर? We thus find that the nature has provided birds with a different type of beak and claws. In this chapter, we read this. These are as per the need and habit of different birds. God ने provide किया है उनकी habit के according. A person who studied birds, जो person क्या है जो एक birds के ऊपर पूरी study करता है, that is ornithologist. And Dr. Salim Ali was a very famous Indian ornithologist. He get an award of Padma Vibhushan for that study on the bird. That's why. Clear? So now we comes on an activity and you have to done in your notebook also. Your class, your neighborhood area. Visit your neighborhood area and observe different birds on tree, in water, on ground and in the bushes also. Identify and observe them. So find out the birds and place where you saw it and food at it. You see parrot on the tree. What they eat? They eat a guava like in this picture. And you also see the sparrow also in the garden. And what they eat? They eat the seeds and grains and that are spreading in the ground. Clear? You have to do this activity in your notebook also. Okay. Thank you.